catch on really fast. Sing, sing, sing hello together. Sing, sing hello together. Got it? All right. And let's see if we can find Pancho. You know Pancho's from Mexico. He wants to sing hello. How do you say hello in Spanish?
Hola.
Hola. Are you
Hola.
ready? Good. Sing, 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 hola.
Sing hola together. Sing, sing, sing hola. Sing hola together.
Thank you, Pancho. Hi there. I see some children I know. Yay. And from France, we have Pierre. Pierre would like to say bonjour. Are you ready? I see some good singers. Sing, sing, sing bonjour. Sing bonjour together. Sing, sing, sing bonjour.
Sing bonjour together.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
All right.
yeah.
Way to go. This is Jacob. Now, he speaks Hebrew. He says shalom. He's from Israel. Are you ready? Shalom.
Sing, sing, sing shalom. Sing shalom together. Sing, sing, sing shalom. Sing shalom together.
Ah, you're getting it. Very good. All right. Confisa is from Africa. She speaks Swahili. She says jambo. Are you ready?
Yes.
Sing, sing, sing jambo.
Sing jambo together. Sing, sing, sing jambo. Sing jambo together.
Hey, very good. This one is Jitsuo from Japan. He would like to say konnichiwa. Are you ready?
Konnichiwa.
Sing, sing, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa together.
Sing, sing, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa together. Bum 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 bum.
Oh, yes. We have Chip Chang from China. Ni hao. It's easy to remember. Ni hao. Are you ready?
How?
Sing, sing, sing ni hao. Sing ni hao together.